should na 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 on everything. It's automatic, always able to a high.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have been running a few loads today already, but your girl have not vlogged consistently. I'm trying to get a flow. Your girl's trying to keep up with y'all. Y'all are asking for more, and I'm like, hold down. No, just still trying to do it and be safe still, honestly, because you still got to keep your attention on it so you don't fuck up or mess up. Mainly, that's really the deal. That's why sometimes I don't get every single moment, but I try to keep up so y'all can see the job and what I do every day. But this next load look like we are adding fiber. ticket, write pump on it, and then add how much water they added. He added 10 gallons. Over here, and go back to the plant. Alright, girls, we got back to the plant. I'm just gonna rinse it very quick since I have fiber. Let me show you. That is it for this week. Your girl finna wrap it up, finna get some fuel. And I hope you guys come back and ride with your girl again next week.